The whole idea for apprenticeship really started from the fact that the skilled trades has such a high demand and a high need for workers with skill sets. There's a couple of things that really make it unique. One of the things is the fact that we have practitioners of their craft actually teaching these subjects. So it's one of these things where 4 days out of the week, they're in the field, they're applying it, they're learning it, they're on our job sites. On Fridays, we pay them to go and sit in a classroom. Part of that classroom experience is learning new material, and then part of that day is spent out in the field actually applying it.
Through the program, we also teach leadership skills. We give them the whys to what they're doing versus just do it. They understand why they're doing it a lot more, and that's basically what I'm teaching is the why part of it. And hopefully we grow them into future leaders.
Jim has over 30 years of experience in the construction trades. He's got over 30 years of experience with East and Westbrook Construction. Our folks that come in are going to learn everything from form carpentry to concrete to equipment to everything that you need to be able to do from first shovel in the ground through to completion of the project. From an accreditation perspective, there's actually a couple of different paths that students can take. They can go through a program at JCTC, it's called Jefferson Built, where they will get 30 hours of college level courses. Most of that is going to be covered through the Work Ready Scholarship, and then East and Westbrook picks up the additional expense. They're going to learn things like leadership, blueprint reading, carpentry. They're going to learn everything from HVAC, electrical, etc. When they come out of that program, they then roll into our 2-year apprenticeship program. Because of the relationship that I have with the Jefferson Community and Technical College system, they're actually giving us college level credit for the classes that we teach. So if a student goes through Jefferson Built, they go through our 2-year apprenticeship program, if they decide that they want to get a 2-year degree, there's a handful of other classes that they would be able to take. Of course, we'll foot the bill for that. And they can come out with a 2-year degree that's general occupational and technical studies through Jefferson Community and Technical College.
It's a dedication. They have to be dedicated to do it, and they have to, there's a little bit of legalities to it. But overall, if they want to learn and grow in this industry, it's a great opportunity for them. And basically, the foremans are my go-to to find out, who would be a good candidate for the program. Are they dedicated enough? Do they show up to work on time? Are they always there? Are they willing to help? And that's what it boils down to.
So for potential candidates that want to work for East and Westbrook Construction, let me start by saying, I'm going to hire for attitude, I'm going to train for skill. It's okay if you have a little bit of knowledge. We're going to take that knowledge and we're going to work with it. We're going to figure out where you are, and we're going to use that as a springboard to help grow you professionally. And one of the things that really sets our apprenticeship program apart from others is, number one, I've got skilled trades professionals that do this every day. They're teaching this material. 4 days in the field where you get a chance to practice it, 1 day in the classroom with a lab. Where else are you going to get this kind of experience? You're going to get paid to sit in a classroom, and it's going to cost you $0. If you take a look at a lot of kids that are going to school today, ask them how much money they've spent to get their 4-year degree. We're teaching you a skill set that will help you as a homeowner, it will help you on our job site, something that will carry through the rest of your life.